Okay, folks, I got this second hand. I don't know if any of these are any use, but they're going to make a nice demo, hopefully, folks. Hopefully it'll look good. Still got that rocking around the Christmas tree going through my head. It's a real, if there's anything silly season, that song has got to be it. But I don't believe that Christmas should be seen as a silly season, but a lot of people see it that way. I just imagine people like men are typically getting dressed in a Hawaiian shirt, having a drink, especially like a cocktail, and being a real ass, being a real silly idiot, folks. It's just to be expected, I guess. But, it should be a happy time anyway, I must say. Anyway, what do we got to demo with? We got these, what look like Allen keys of some descript. Got Allen keys that have the word food waste disposer. Yeah, interesting. I got these second hand, so they're a bit of something. Trying to line it up at the edge. Yeah, that looks interesting. I do think maybe move it across a little bit and maybe a little bit up. It's a little bit funny. Maybe make it a little bit of a horizontal enlargement, extra enlargement. I do think it's a little bit pink. I don't like it. Going here. And we have to take off this and use this. Yeah, that looks a lot better. You see, it looks even blacker. That's when the blue really came into its own. I just need a little bit more on the vertical. Maybe make it also 220, I might as well. Yeah, that looks better. Now we've got that up there, so it looks really nice. I don't know if I totally like it, but when I put it together, it'll probably look a real treat. And I'm food waste disposer. Disposer, not dispenser. yeah, folks, this Christmas and for 10 Christmases running, I'm missing a lost loved one. His name is Luigi, and I fell in love with him just over 10 years ago. But the truth be it that I should have fell in love with him back in 1992, 93. I should have been with him then. But I've been in love with him for now. This is the 10th Christmas I've been in love with Luigi, and I'm trying to find him. So I'm trying to get this stuff to appear on the 6 o'clock news so I can get in touch and get married and put the past behind us. Because I did some stupid things when I was young, and I'm living to regret it, folks. You've got to be careful of the choices you make in life, folks. Otherwise, you could end up like me. I'm nearly 49, and then I'll be 50, and then a long time to wait to get married to someone you love. It's a long wait, folks. So make your choices and make them well. Make sure you make the right choices in life, or you could end up missing out on a lot of beautiful things that life has to offer, including a happy marriage. Anyway, that's come up looking better. I think now we can call this demo quits.